Hello and welcome to this section. Today we will talk about one more business problem in Sunday with Python. Let's try to understand that and try to solve that business problem. We have a list of random numbers. Create a program that will first sort the list in increasing order and then finds the first and the last number. Interesting. Let's try to solve this in Python. I'll go to Jupyter Notebook and first of all I will create or generate a random number list. I'll use a package called random and then x is equal to random dot sample. It will generate a random sample. Let's pass range 60, 9. Let's execute this and check what happens. So it generated a random number and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 numbers we have generated using range 60 function. So that means the value cannot be more than 60 or 60 minus 1, so it's 59. So you see that the maximum number is 59. So it generated 9 random numbers, and now what I want is I want to create a logic after sorting the data. X dot sort. X is a list. I will sort it, and if I check X, you will see that this list is sorted. Now we need to find the minimum and the maximum number from this list. So let's write a logic. Y is equal to I for I in X 0, length of X minus 1, and finally I'll print Y. I'm getting 18 and 59. Why? For I in X 0, length of X minus 1. What is length of X? 0, 1, like total is 9. So 8, 0, colon, 8. So it is taking the maximum value, 0th value, and the last value. So that is how it will give you the value and show you the minimum and the maximum number. Length of X is 9 minus 1. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So when I'm doing a sort, you can see that the 8th number or the index 8th is 59. So it is giving me the 0th number as well as the 8th number. And that is how you can create this easy logic. Hope this makes sense. We'll see you in the next Sunday with some more cool functions and cool business problems, and we'll try to solve that. Till then, happy analyzing.